Hello my dear friends, I Aishwarya welcome you all to my channel Jazzy Jewels. Today we are going to make this beautiful hair accessory, that is elegant pearl brooch. So this pearl brooch is giving a very royal and vibrant vibes because of these pearls I have used. So I assure you that you will enjoy this tutorial. So do watch this tutorial till the end and try to make this brooch at home. So if you like this tutorial, do give the thumbs up. And if you are new here, I have a request for you that my channel is new here on YouTube. So your one subscription means a lot to me and it is helping me to grow my channel on this platform. So hit the subscribe button so that I can also make amazing jewelry making videos like this. And now let's get started. So the material required is chain, then asymmetrical beads, lock beads, laria and 30 gauge wire. So first of all we will cut this chain in 3 parts, smaller, bigger and bigger. So I have already I have already kept it in that way, like this one is smaller, this one is bigger and this is more bigger, and we need a 3-layer brooch. So first of all we will add dangles to this. So how to do that? For this we need laria, asymmetrical beads, lock beads. So we'll cut this laria. I'll add one lock bead in this and I'll add one asymmetrical bead here. And what I will do is, now this has so many loops, so I will leave these 4 loops, and in the 5th loop I will insert this moti. So you can see that I have attached a moti to this and it's looking very pretty. So we'll repeat the same process for the whole. So I have added one lock bead in other laria and I will take one asymmetrical pearl again. And if this is not coming out immediately, use plier. Now again I will leave 4 loops blank. I'll count properly and then add the next pearl. So I'll repeat the same process for all of them and I'll come back to you. So I have added this pearl dangles. It's very quick, it happened very quickly. Similarly we have to add the rest of them, rest 2. So I have already added them for the convenient purpose and now we will attach them. So now in the end I just thought that I don't want to keep the end simple. So what I will do, we'll make a flower out of these pearl beads. For that I'm taking pearl beads and I'll add 3. If you want to add bigger, if you want to make the flower bigger, you can indeed do that. Okay, and now I'll leave some space here to this end also and I'll wrap this one, and the remaining wire I'm going to wrap to this flower. You can wrap that at any direction from any pearl, it's all up to you. Just make sure that it will be attached very tightly. Okay, and it will have proper finishing. And now to give its more beautiful look, we'll add some log beads here. So I'll keep one log bead at this end and I'll lock this, then another one here, and the last one will be here. So to all the three ends. Now I will take this wire. So it will be little bit less, so I will attach this with another wire. No problem, we'll take another wire. Okay, so now I will add one more log bead, which is into this side. Now we will attach a small tiny flower to our brooch. So I will take all the ends, and first of all make sure that these ends are properly closed, because we are using 30 gauge wire and it's very less in shape, it's very small in shape, so there are high chances that it will come out. So to avoid that, do this one. Now with the help of this, so always remember the sequence. First I will add this bigger one. Then this middle, check. So I have added this pearl flower here. Now I'll add another flower to this end. You have to check. The sequence. Now as this is coming last, I'll add this one first, so that it will come to the end later. like this one in the end, this is in the middle, and this is the first one. Okay, again wrap this carefully. Done. So we are done. Wow, so this brooch was literally very quick. I'm so happy that it's happened. So this is the design of our beautiful brooch. I hope that you liked it. So if you have liked this jewelry pattern, do like to the video and let me know in the comments below what would you like to see next. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do press the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. See you next time. Until then, this is Aishwarya signing off.